Setting up your Amazon Prime account after signing up is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you get the most out of your membership. Step 1. Access your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Log in using the email and password you used during the sign-up process. Step 2. Explore Prime benefits. Once logged in, navigate to the Your Account section. Look for the Prime option to explore the various benefits available to you, such as Prime Video, Prime Music, and free shipping. Step 3. Set up payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Customize your preferences. Visit the account and list drop-down and select your Prime membership. Here, you can customize your preferences, including delivery options and video streaming settings. Step 5. Download the Amazon Prime app. For a better experience, download the Amazon Prime app on your mobile device. This will allow you to access Prime Video, Prime Music, and other features on the go. Now that you have completed the setup, you can enjoy all the benefits that come with your Amazon Prime membership. App exploring.